Hey, welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 0 of the construction blog. We're about to do a pretty significant addition on the back of my house, and I'm going to record it here and post it on the channel, and I hope you enjoy it as we go through the weeks here, and hopefully not many months to get this whole thing done. So what we have is my house now as it is, and we're going to add an addition on the back of the house. And you can see there was a patio there. It was a paver block patio. That was pretty big. It was something that I put down 34 years ago, and that patio is all taken up. And the addition will go back to this point about here, all the way back to the house, over to the wood board that's on the left side of this frame, that long wood board. So it's going to be about 350 square feet of addition. It's going to be pretty big. It's going to go up halfway up the house. Probably take that window out where the bathroom is up there, and it should be pretty significant. And we're really looking forward to having a very large kitchen. Of course, we don't have the cement, the blocks, and all that stuff yet, because they have to dig out and excavate all this mess that's here. It does look like a mess, and the reason that it looks like a mess is because nothing was done with it last year, because we stopped because of COVID, and it just was allowed to overgrow. So hopefully, in a few days, we'll do an update on the blog, and you'll see the progress of it. So I hope you enjoy this. Leave your comments below. I've done a couple of construction projects in my lifetime. Some big projects, billion-dollar power plant type projects, and then small house projects, $100,000, $200,000 projects. But if you have any questions, leave them down below, and I'll answer the questions. And if you want to know anything specific during this blog, I'll try to film it, and I'll try to answer your questions. So thanks for tuning in, and take care. Bye now.